Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to delete all blank rows in Microsoft Excel at once. Let us begin. In first step, select the columns that you have, like this. Do not select the headers, select the columns. Navigate to editing section, find as select, go to special. This dialog box will open. Tick blanks and then OK. Now all blank rows are selected. From cells section, we have delete. As you can see, all blank rows are deleted. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.